In the world of automotive elegance and exclusivity, few creations capture the essence of bespoke luxury like the one Maserati GranTurismo Prisma. Recently making a rare public appearance, this automotive masterpiece dazzles with its unique design and undeniable charisma, reminiscent of a real-life Hot Wheels creation brought to life. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the GranTurismo Prisma stands as a testament to Maserati's commitment to pushing boundaries in automotive design. Every curve and contour of its bodywork reflects a harmonious blend of artistry and engineering prowess, making it not just a car but a rolling sculpture on wheels. The exterior of the GranTurismo Prisma is a symphony of colors and materials, carefully selected to create a visual experience unlike any other. Its prismatic finish refracts light in mesmerizing patterns, evoking a sense of dynamism even when stationary. Paired with bespoke alloy wheels and subtle yet distinctive badging, this Maserati commands attention wherever it goes. Under the hood lies a heart that matches its breathtaking exterior, a potent engine that combines power with refinement. Designed to deliver exhilarating performance on demand, the GranTurismo Prisma seamlessly blends the thrill of driving with the sophistication of Italian craftsmanship. Stepping inside, the cabin of the GranTurismo Prisma envelopes its occupants in luxury. Fine leather upholstery, meticulously stitched by hand, complements the ergonomic design of the seats, ensuring both comfort and support during spirited drives. The dashboard is a showcase of advanced technology, seamlessly integrated with classic analog elements, offering a driver-focused experience that merges tradition with innovation. Beyond its aesthetic and performance merits, the GranTurismo Prisma represents a pinnacle of exclusivity. As a one-of-one creation, it embodies the ultimate expression of personalized luxury, tailored to the exacting standards of its discerning owner. Each detail, from the choice of materials to the finishing touches, reflects a collaborative effort between master craftsmen and automotive visionaries, resulting in a vehicle that transcends mere transportation to become a symbol of individuality and prestige. In the realm of automotive enthusiasts and collectors, the unveiling of the one Maserati GranTurismo Prisma marks a significant moment, a rare opportunity to witness a truly unique creation that defies convention and celebrates the art of automotive design. Its presence exudes a sense of exclusivity and allure, inviting admiration from all who appreciate the finer things in life. As the sun sets on its public appearance, the GranTurismo Prisma leaves an indelible impression, a testament to the enduring allure of Italian craftsmanship and the limitless possibilities of automotive design. With every glance, it continues to emit vibes reminiscent of childhood dreams and adult aspirations, reminding us that true beauty transcends time and trends in the world of automobiles.